So this is how you can get the verification code from Facebook if it's not working or if you haven't received it. So when you first try to log into Facebook or when you first try to make an account, they usually send you a code or an SMS to prove that you are a real person or to verify your email or your phone number. But if there are a chance that you didn't get your code, this is the best tutorial for you because I'm going to walk you through on how to fix this. Whenever making an account, there's usually a button that says resend code or retry, so you're gonna want to tap on that. Unfortunately, I do not have that button because I've already created the account, so you're just gonna have to follow what I say through my words. If you're trying to resend it and it still doesn't show up, then maybe you've used the wrong number or the wrong email. That's another reason. And the final reason I have for you, which is the most effective, is that you're not looking hard enough. If we go ahead and go to our Gmail over here, as you can see, there are a lot of different lists or inboxes where we can look for emails. People don't generally look at the other sections like social, promotions, important, or even the spam because sometimes the email does get sent to that. Like, for example, your spam. Maybe Gmail thinks that the Facebook email is a bot, so they send it directly to spam. But basically, all you have to do is just look through these different lists and find the email because that's probably the problem that is causing this. That is causing you to not find the verification code. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.